Good start. Would you have? Call your balls, boys! Call your balls! Call your balls! Who wants it? Call your ball and go get it!
Wake up! Come on, baby.
Nice serve. Good spot. Nice. Keep it up, keep it up. Nice serve. Free, free, free. Good up. Pick it up.
The wind took it.
That's shy, Lee. It was the win.
They're gonna pass it to King because we know.
There's what?
But no, this side's good.
Okay, we could go next.
See what they say. Keep playing. Because I think it might be 7 for Lee. I'm not too sure.
No, get Jeff from me third.
No, like if Lee's gonna come back for
There! Right there!
Good team. Well, good team. Good play, good play.
Still good! Over! Good try, good try! Next one!
We can beat them.
Yeah.
We can definitely beat them.
Good up! Right there! Let's go!
Alright.
They have to win both of them.
We're down right now, but barely started.
Alright, let's go down.
Like,
Come on, let's go.
I know we can win. You guys been doing good on your guys' bracket?
Outside.
Still got one game,
That don't even care.
I know, I was like, make stand like right behind me.
Still good!
Oh, Jeff.
Right there. I was gonna come in, see if we can get
Good? Yeah.
Good serve.
You guys can do all that.
Like side out stuff. I mean, not side out, but like we. I don't know.
Kevin don't know.
I
They're decent. They're probably like 4 or 3.
Keep, like,
3 or 4.
splitting.
3 or 4. Third or fourth.
There's only one game that we like sweep. It wasn't like a good sweep.
You guys know how many pressure on it?
Alright.
Come in for illegal back row. Remember.
Get the ball on this side. Get the ball. Good serve. Outside.
Here you go, Jeff. Ace is one slam.
One more.
Oh, hit that. Go, 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 go.
Yeah, that looks so lame.
Hero cross.
Hello.
2 feet wet across the court.
Let's go, Bloodline. Let's go. Let's go, Bloodline. Shake it off. Let's go. Pick it up. Pick it up. Let's go, Bloodline. Let's go. Call your balls, guys. Call your balls.
Tight, tight, tight.
Huh? I was there this time. Jada, you chose 0?
Should have did doubles.
Let's go, Bloodline. Reset, reset. Nice. Yes, sir.
Do that again, do that again, honey.
Weak side. Get it back, get it back. Nice.
Middle, no? Or they just Switch over here.
Serve. Outside.
Oh, this kid. Nice.
Reset, reset. It's coming back.
There, get up.
Nice.
Let's go.
Let's go, Kev. Nice serve. Way to be there, way to be there.
Get over, get over.
Good call, good call.
Trouble.
Nice.
There.
Go, Kev. Good serve. Free, free, free. Out, out.
There.
Let's go, Kev. Keep it up. Good job. Good serve. Outside. Take it back. Coming in deep.
Good try.
It's gonna come deep again. It's coming deep again.
There, get up.